Alicia, where I am designing my way through life and balling on a budget. Every year, me and my girlfriends get together and do a Christmas party. This year, I have the pleasure of hosting at my house, so I thought it would be super fun to do like a traditional ugly sweater party type theme, and I did decor to match. I went into Dollar Tree the other day. I hadn't been in so long, and when I went in there looking for things for decor purposes, they had like all of this traditional red and green, and I got so caught up in metallics this year that I just didn't think about the reds until I was decorating and went in Dollar Tree. So I thought it would be fun to incorporate that into the decor for the party. Everything that I did was inspired from my initial dollar store visit. I got my candles from there. I purchased these cute little cranberries that I'm going to show you guys in a second from there that I incorporated into my candles. I purchased garland that's used in the backdrop. I purchased these cute little pieces that had bulbs and Christmas tree type garland in them. I purchased the poinsettias used in my balloon garland. All of the decor that I have was inspired from Dollar Tree. And then I went into my favorite place, TJ Maxx, and I found some plates and napkins to incorporate into the mismatch theme that I wanted to do. As far as my backdrop goes, I used red curtains from my husband's man cave. So I kind of stole those because I didn't want to buy anything extra for this party that I wasn't going to use later on. So I did use his curtains, but another alternative to the curtains would be to use wrapping paper, which you can get for $1 a roll in Dollar Tree. I did do that the very first year that I hosted at my house. I used the wrapping paper to make a photo backdrop. So that is just a piece of information in case you're like, I want to do this, but I don't have curtains and I don't want to go spend $20, $30 on curtains. Use wrapping paper. It's super cute and very inexpensive. These are some pretty fun ones that I purchased from TJ Maxx. They are like $2.99 a roll in there, or $3.99 a roll. And these would have been super cute, but I decided to go with the curtains. The only thing that you guys won't see in my video that will be here is the cupcakes. It's way too early. This party's until Saturday. Today is Wednesday. I'm filming this guy for you guys. So I didn't want to go out and buy the cupcakes too early, so those won't be here until Saturday. But if you follow me on Instagram, you will get to see all the fun that we have, because I do use my Instagram stories quite a bit. I'm going to show you guys a quick overview of this. I know I normally post on Sundays, but I wanted to make sure that if anyone was out there looking for inspiration that follows me on YouTube, that you guys did have the time to find the items that you needed. And I will be posting all of the items in the description box that I'm able to find that were used in this party. And yeah, so I'm just going to give you guys a quick tour around. I hope you enjoy these videos. All right, guys, we're going to start off with the view from up above. And this is the backdrop in balloon garland and a quick overview of the table decor. The only thing missing from my table right now are the cupcakes, but I'm not going to do that until the day of. I didn't want to buy them too early. Hey guys, so these bows I purchased at the Dollar Tree, and I just used a safety pin to pin them to the back of the chairs. I thought it actually came out kind of cute. Went well with the theme. Purchased this from the Dollar Tree as well. It was purchased as a separate candlestick and a vase. I glued them together using E6000 to spray the base gold. Plate and napkins I purchased at TJ Maxx. They came in a pack of 24 and were $3.99 each. I thought they were perfect for the kind of mismatchy theme that I wanted to do. And then that is one of my name tags that I have to write a name on. That's the Santa Claus. And this is how I use the cranberry in my larger vase. I used a candlestick to give some height to the Dollar Tree candle that's in the inside. And this is my reindeer name tag. And another view of how I use the cranberry is in my shorter vases. All of the shorter vases came from the Dollar Tree. And that's another look at my DIY candlestick. And these cute cupcake wrappers, along with the matching cupcake toppers in TJ Maxx. One is gold and the other is red and white. And it says, fa la 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 la. And the hats are going to be for all of the little babies that are going to be running around. And this is another look at the cute little backdrop I did. The red curtains are actually curtains from my husband's man cave that I stole. And the green garland I got out of Hobby Lobby, but they do have some in the Dollar Tree as well. This is how the balloon garland came out. I got these red poinsettias from the Dollar Tree, and I love them because they have a gold center in the middle of the flowers. And that Merry Christmas sign hanging in the middle, I also purchased from Hobby Lobby. They had one at Dollar Tree, but when I went back to the one down the street, they didn't have any more, and I didn't feel like running around looking for one. I purchased my balloons off of Amazon, and I will link those in the description box as well as anything else that I find used in this video. Happy holidays, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next vlog.